Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel where we learn about trading and technical analysis. Today, I'm excited to share a new strategy that has helped me achieve high profits using the TD sequential, Dema, and SMMA indicators. As traders, we know that the market can be unpredictable and volatile, but with the right tools and techniques, we can make informed decisions and increase our chances of success. In this video, I'll explain how these three indicators work together to identify potential trends and momentum shifts in the market, and how we can use this information to enter and exit trades at the right time. But before we dive into the details, let me give you a bit of background on these indicators. The TD sequential indicator was developed by Tom DeMark and is based on the concept of trend exhaustion, helping us to identify potential trend reversals. The Dema and SMMA indicators are both variations of the moving average convergence-divergence indicator, which is a popular tool for analyzing momentum in the market. By combining these three indicators, we can create a powerful trading strategy that has helped me achieve consistent profits in my own trades. So, let's get started and learn how to use the TD sequential, Dema, and SMMA indicators to maximize our profits in the market. The trading rule for a long position is as follows. Rule 1. The TD sequential indicator must complete a red bearish series from 1 to 9 including 9. Rule 2. The blue line of the Dema indicator must cross the red line in an upward direction. Rule 3. A green candlestick must close above the SMMA line in an upward direction. These conditions are sufficient for us to open a long position. The stop-loss level should be below the last swing. The first target is the 1-to-1 risk-reward level. If this level is reached, the stop-loss level should be moved to the entry point of the trade. We waited a long time for the full target, but it wasn't reached. We took partial profit at the 1-to-1 reward level, moved the stop-loss level to the entry point of the trade to eliminate risk. But the price reversed and hit the entry point. Nevertheless, we closed the trade with a profit. Please never compromise on discipline and rules. Now let's look at two examples. First, let's learn about the short position. Basically, our rules are the same. We just reverse all the conditions. First, we must see a bullish trend with a green 9 number. Then, the blue line of the Dema indicator must cross the red line in a downward direction. The price must close below the SMMA line. Our trade was closed with partial profit at the 1-to-1 reward level. While this trade was ongoing, the TD sequential indicator flashed a red 9 and gave a signal for a new bullish trend. If the rules for a long position are met, we will immediately open this trade as well. As you can see, all the conditions were quickly met here. And this trade also closed at the 1-to-1 reward level. I think we subscribed to the partial profit ratio today, so please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and write your thoughts in the comment section, especially write which strategy we have learned so far has been more beneficial. I really want to learn that. Now I will show you a little tactic to take a bit more profit from our trades, of course. It is up to you whether to apply this tactic or not. We will add the cRSI indicator to our chart and optimize its settings as shown on the screen. I don't think you can find these kinds of small but important tips in any other training. I myself have gained most of these small advantages through my years of experience. Now let's move on to this advantageous small detail. The entry conditions for long and short positions are the same. I don't want to repeat them. To close the position with more profit, we will wait for the cRSI indicator line to touch the 0 and 100 values. We have seen the 0 value. Now we will wait for the cRSI parameter to close above the value of 20. For 2 candlesticks to close the trade with more profit. If 2 candlesticks close above the value of 20, we will close the trade. Yes, the last 2 candlesticks closed above the 20 level. Please pay attention to the 1-to-1 risk reward level at the top. See how far away we made a profit from that level. Let's look at the long position example and finish our video. I will go slowly for better understanding. Please don't forget to check the cRSI parameters. First, we need to see 100. First, we need to see 100, then, if 2 candlesticks close below the 80 level, we will close the trade from that level. And the last 2 candlesticks closed below the 80 level. We are closing the position, and you can see that we made a profit higher than the 1-to-1 level. This profit could have been even higher. Hopefully this trading tactic will bring you more profits. Please make sure to test extensively on a demo account before starting to trade. And find the strategy that suits you best. I'm trying to teach you many strategies that I believe will bring you profits based on my own tests. But it's up to you to find the one that suits you best. Goodbye.